In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trace Gmail account location. We'll use a built-in Gmail feature called Last Account Activity to see recent sign-ins, the IP addresses involved, the approximate location associated with those IPs, and the type of access used. This is a quick way to confirm that recent activity is really you. Start by opening Gmail in a desktop web browser and signing in. This works best on a computer. If you're on a phone or tablet, open Gmail in a browser and switch to the desktop site, since the option we need isn't visible in the mobile app. Make sure you're looking at your main inbox view rather than an individual email or a settings page. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of your inbox. Look in the lower right corner for a small line that says Last Account Activity. Right next to it, you'll see a link labeled Details. Click Details to open a pop-up window showing your recent account activity. In the Activity Information window, you'll see a table of recent access events. Each row shows the access type, the location with an IP address in parentheses, and the date and time. The location is based on IP geolocation, which is approximate. It might show a city or region rather than an exact spot, and it can be influenced by VPNs, privacy tools, work networks, or mobile carriers. If you're connected through a company network or cellular data, the location may reflect the network's gateway rather than your physical position. Times are typically shown in your account's time zone, helping you match what you see with when you were actually online. Take a moment to review the IP address and location for each entry. You're looking for patterns that make sense, like your usual city or a familiar region. It's normal for the same public IP to appear across multiple devices on your home network. If you use a VPN, expect the location to match the VPN server's area. Occasional variations are common, but large, unexplained differences are worth noting. Next, look at the device and access type column. You'll see entries such as browser, mobile, POP3, or IMAP. Browser indicates webmail access. Mobile can reflect apps on phones or tablets. POP3 and IMAP are used by email apps like Outlook, Apple Mail, or other connected services. If you recognize the ways you normally check email, that's a good sign. If you don't use any mail apps and still see POP or IMAP entries, that may be from a connected application you set up previously. That's it. By opening Gmail, scrolling to the bottom, clicking Details, reviewing the IP and location information, and checking the access type, you can quickly confirm whether your recent Gmail activity aligns with your expectations.